I'll be showing you step by step how to collect SMS and emails for your Shopify store. Now to do so, we'll be using one of the most popular apps on the Shopify App Store. It's called OmniSend and it has a free to install plan. We can reach up to 250 contacts, so 500 emails per month and up to 60 global SMS, which is decent to start out here. Also got great reviews at a 4.7 stars with 5.6 thousand 5-star reviews. Note, I don't have any affiliation with this app, but it's really easy to set up, so let's get things started. So from the app page, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's click install here and let's begin the setup sequence. If you're comfortable with the app permissions, we'll click install here and let's go and start collecting these emails and SMS pop-ups. To note, we do need to create an account with OmniSend. I'm just going to generate an account here and I'll click get started. So I'm going to set up my account there. And from there, let's go and customize the setup sequence. First up, we're going to decide our brand assets. It's going to be customized for the email that we send out. So I'll select a file here for my logo. I'm going to upload from my computer. I'm just taking a screenshot of the Ecom Masterclass logo. Let's go and upload that. We're going to then select it. Then we can set up our colors. Now this is really going to be dependent on your Shopify store's branding. We could add social links as well. I'm just going to leave these as a default and I'll just hit save brand assets in the bottom right. I'm currently on the free plan here. I'm just going to exit this out as I want to stay on the free plan for this video. So it's got a pretty good installation sequence and it's going to help guide us through what we need to do. The first thing we want to do is start collecting subscribers. I'll click this launch sign up form here and we can go and customize what it looks like. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to collect phone numbers as well. And it's really just as easy as dragging it over here. We can collect a phone number and an email together in one form. If you wanted just one, you could remove something like the phone number here and just collect emails. Now in terms of customization, we get quite a few options here, whether we want one or two columns, adding that in there. We could add text, buttons, and so on. It's a very easy to use drag and drop editor. So that's on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we get the behavior. So whether we want this to be always available, the targeting, we could set it to not show this pop-up to people who come from our emails or SMS from OmniSend, whether they come from Google ads or Facebook ads. We get some targeting there. And we can set it whether to show to existing or specific segments of our contacts. We can set the visibility, whether to show it on desktop or mobile, and the frequency. We could say don't show again for 7 days after they've seen it the first time. We can also add different tags for audience management, and there is A/B testing available as well. There's also our theme settings, so we get overall customizations on the button styling and the layout. I'm not going to go into too much of that there. There's quite a bit of options and it's really just going to depend on your Shopify store's branding. So that's step one here. And this is collecting the email. If we click at the bottom here for step two, you can see here by default, it is asking for a phone number as well to receive offers via text message. And so if you to leave this as the default here, you can collect both. Next up would be the success screen. It's going to say that they've sent a discount to your inbox. Now you can customize any of this by just clicking into it. We can even add an image or anything we wanted to there. There's already the subscribe screen. So if they've entered in the same email twice, it's going to show this alert. We can also add any other option here by clicking add option or removing it. Enable form here in the top right. So it's going to be live on our store. Again, it's going to prompt me to upgrade. I'm going to stick on that free plan there. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand how profitable your store is. It's going to include tons of different metrics, analytics, and charts, so you can have a clear understanding of your store's performance, allowing you to make smarter business decisions. It syncs seamlessly with all your favorite ad accounts and many cost of goods sold providers. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing directly. You could also search for it in the Shopify App Store and look for the logo of Profit Calc in the top left here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out for yourself. There's a link in the description below. Following that, we can set up our welcome workflow. So if I click on this here, it's going to prompt us to set what type of discount. I believe I put 10%, so I'll enter that in there. Let's hit start workflow. I'm going to stay on the free plan again. Let's click continue. We can also set up our abandoned cart and checkout workflows, but I'm going to do that later. You can also create email campaigns. I'll just click, I'll do that later as well. And so that's overall the basics on how we set up our pop-up to collect both email and SMS. Now OmniSend has quite a few few other features here, as we can see, from different workflows that make it easy to start collecting reviews or boosting your push notifications. Let's head back to my Shopify dashboard here. I'm first just going to make sure that the app embed is enabled. If I click on Online Store Themes, hit Customize for my current theme here, hit App Embeds, I can see Omni is not checked off. So I'm going to click Enable, then head to the top right and click Save. So let's just go and preview my online store to see if this pop-up is showing up. And there it is, the pop-up I created with the colors I created as well. So just hit test@gmail.com, get 10% off, and we can see this is working as expected. And it's already subscribed here because that's a test email. But that concludes the video there on how to collect SMS and emails for your Shopify store. We used a Shopify app called OmniSend that's really easy to set up and has tons of other features. Again, I'm not affiliated with this app, but it's extremely popular. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.